In this submission, EFL sought an overall tariff increase of 37%. FCCC sought further clarification, and by September 2025, EFL provided detailed explanations and a further revised proposal. Every assumption was rigorously assessed against actual consumption trends, cost of service principles, and Fiji's national renewable energy objectives. After rigorously assessing all these, FCCC did not approve the proposed 37% increase, and instead allowed an increase of 24.2% in the revenue requirement. So the previous tariff application was rejected, yes, and denied, and there were 4 grounds why it was denied. Previous management had denied it, but actually from the board decision there was only 1 ground, which was the renewable energy capex plan. And because of that, we've revised it, the revised submission, from EFL. They've addressed the renewable energy capex plan, and now they've submitted a 5-year capex plan. And that revision has been factored this time around. So in terms of legal mandate, we still have our legal mandate whether to go ahead with a revised submission or not.